Picture this. It's September 26th, 2026. You wake up energized, your calendar is under control, your bank account looks better than ever, and for the first time in years, you're not stressed, you're excited about the future. Sounds like a dream, right? Here's the twist. That version of you isn't a fantasy. It's absolutely within reach. And it starts with one deceptively simple habit. Let me ask you, how many times have you promised yourself you'd finally get organized, only to drown in to-do lists and burn out? It's not that you're lazy, it's that most of us try to overhaul everything at once, and our brains just can't keep up. Here's how it goes. At the start of each day, take out a notebook and write down just 3 things. What's my single most important task today? What's one thing I'll do to protect my energy? What's one commitment I'll drop that doesn't matter? That's it. No 40-item checklist, no productivity apps, just ruthless clarity. Subscribe now and start your journey to real strength, clarity, and freedom. And if you want to supercharge your progress, don't stop here. Check out my next video, 14 days that will rewire your brain. Forget 30.